Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you the comparison between the iOS 26 and a One UI 7 version in my Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE running the One UI 7 version, and this is the iPhone 70 device running the iOS 26 version. So let's see step by step. We see the quick setting tiles look, recent application looks, and other settings. So first we swipe down in the latest iOS 26. Just swipe down from the corner and you can see the quick setting tiles look. In the One UI 7, when you swipe down from the left side, you can see the notification setting, or when you swipe down from the right, you can see the quick setting tiles. Different setting here, you can change it if you want to set the older panel setting together. So now whenever you swipe down from the top of the screen, you can see the quick setting tiles. So this is the quick setting tiles look in the One UI 7 and iOS 26 device. So very good. You can also see in the latest iOS 26, you can see the liquid glass in the background, and swipe down here you can see how it looks amazing. It will apply effect background to the application. Also here you can see how it will apply to the background this glass effect on the latest iOS 26 version on your iPhone device. Also you can see the lock screen clock on your device. So lock your iPhone, lock your Samsung device. Now here we change the lock screen clock style in my Samsung device. So go to lock screen, tap on a lock screen clock. Here you can see the list of different clock style you can apply like this. To change the style, you can see different clock style we apply on your lock screen like this. Change the clock color also on your device, show weather information. So we change the clock color on my device. So set the clock color, tap on a done, or tap on a done. Now so here you can see how it look lock screen clock on the Samsung One UI 7 on the iOS 26 in the lock screen. So you can easily customize this lock screen on both the iPhone. In the iPhone, unlock your device, swipe down, long press, tap on a customize, and here you can customize the lock screen you want like this on your device. Also you can tap on it to see the list of different clock style available, increase or decrease the size, change the clock color also like a Samsung device. So quite easy to set the lock screen clock style on both the iPhone on iOS 26 version or a Samsung One UI 7 devices. Also you can see recent application, just swipe up and hold to show the recent application how it looks on iPhone device. In the Samsung, that's look amazing in the One UI 7. Its animation is amazing, so you can see how it looks. So this is the all about settings in the iPhone 17, iOS 26 and One UI 7 version. That's it. Which one is your favorite? Please tell us in the comment section. Thank you for watching this.